click on the different voices.
I'm gonna eat you alive.
Why would you do that?
Cause I'm hungry.
Alright, you depressed.
Depressed.
I'm depressed. I'm broke. I used to be here. I'm distressed.
Distress. What is that?
I'm distressed. We'll figure it out.
Yes. I'm excited. You know why I'm excited? Because I just got a laptop. Bye.
You want a mail? It's like a transvestite or something. Bye.
Look at this. Hi, Munchkin nasal. Hold on. Here's some nasal. Hey, look, I got a booger nasal.
Oh my god.
Bye. Robot I saw, what's his name?
Get your mom better leg.
What's his name? Wally. Yes, Wally.
Strange Action 2. Strange Action 1. Strange Accent 3. Strange Action 4.
And then
Strange Action 5.